Ego is a prominent manufacturer that thrives on dominating our commercial and DIY gardening tasks with different tools. As we have a pretty large lawn and mowing was very time-consuming, we decided to invest in a riding mower. So, we thought of choosing Ego's Z6 zero-turn mower, which has many convenient features. And then, we came across Ego's newly released E-Steer zero-turn mower, which has already created hype on the market. So, we bought it and have been using it for a few days. Now, we would like to share our experience with the mower. Despite its high price tag, is it a worthwhile option? When we first saw the mower, we were really impressed. There's nothing you won't like about this mower. We love the eye-catching design, cool color combination, sturdy construction, and its feature-packed body. We really appreciate the integration of E-Steer technology, which is the main upgrade of this mower from its previous model. This mower will make you feel like you are driving a supercar. There's this padded seat with handlebars, which felt pretty comfortable. We could also adjust the height according to our needs. We can see different diameter wheels on the front and rear that seem like mini ATV tires. The LED lights on the front can come in handy while using this mower at dark times. Although we rarely mow lawns at night or in the evening, we believe this integration enhances the mower's overall aesthetics. Here on the back, you will get a large battery compartment that lets you attach up to 6 batteries at the same time. During our ride, we were impressed by the smooth and responsive speed of the zero-turn mower. The 4 independent brushless motors delivered exceptional power and performance. It gave us a seamless experience that didn't feel like we were using a battery-powered machine. Ego's claim of equivalent power to a 22 horsepower engine and 8 miles per hour top speed held up well on the field. One thing we must mention is that the mower has 3 different riding modes: Control, Standard, and Sport. In the Control mode, we could effortlessly maneuver around tight spots and obstacles precisely. The Standard mode provided a comfortable balance between control and speed. And when we wanted a thrilling experience and covered more ground quickly, though you'll find same modes on the previous Z6 model, but the way you control them is just a great upgrade. Now, let's talk about the noteworthy feature, the e-steering technology. It's a wholly new integration on a lawnmower. While riding, the versatility and positioning of the steering offered us numerous benefits. Especially, it allowed us to navigate obstacles and tight corners easily, and the feelings were exceptional. We had thought of riding it for a little bit, even though our job was done. As you can see, the steering is multifunctional. It's got some intuitive control buttons and an information display. If you see the previous Z6 model, it's also got the same controller mechanism, but now the positioning is different, and you'll love it. We were also able to customize the ride with its user interface, and the control was so good. These will be a great aid to your commercial projects. Ego's main goal behind adding this e-steering technology to their mower is to reduce physical effort. We believe that the e-steering technology on the Ego E-Steer zero-turn mower will bring a convenient and stylish touch to your ride. Another feature that impressed us is the 10-position height adjustability of the cutting blades. The combination of a 42-inch cutting deck, zero-turn radius, and height adjustability helped us get a well-manicured lawn without much effort. As you can see, the mower seat is convenient and equipped with adjustable suspension. This feature provided us with the desired comfort even when navigating over bumpy terrain. It never felt like we were riding a typical lawnmower. Instead, it felt more like sitting in a car. Since the e-steer mower has a large profile, you might naturally have concerns about its runtime and whether it will be sufficient. However, Ego assures that it can efficiently cut up to 2.5 acres on a single charge using the 4 included 56-volt batteries. Although our lawn was not that extensive, but we did not experience any power deficiencies throughout our entire operation, and the battery life held up well. What's even more impressive is that the Ego has provided 2 extra battery slots, so you can expand the battery life and mow even larger areas as needed. We also found several extra features on the mower, even though we didn't have the opportunity to utilize them much during this short period. You'll get some bright LEDs on the front, IPX4 water resistance rating for added durability, a convenient 3-in-1 function for effortless cleaning, Bluetooth connectivity for seamless integration, a USB charging port for device charging on the go, and a practical phone holder to securely carry your phone while riding. Considering all aspects and our experience with this product, the all-new Ego 42-inch e-steer zero-turn mower offers plenty of highly sought-after features that will greatly benefit professional lawn maintainers. Despite its relatively higher price, the mower's functionalities and power make it a worthwhile investment. However, if you have a smaller lawn, we recommend opting for Ego's previous Z6 zero-turn mower. The Ego e-steer mower proves to be an ideal asset when used for commercial projects or larger lawn care needs.